Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Hello, it's me, LaShawn, and you know that this YouTube channel is designed to show you ways to save money, and one of the ways that I save money is I do my own haircut. I used to go to Hair Cuttery and the prices went up, plus the tip is $30 really, and it's really too much for my budget. I can't afford that. So what I do is I cut my own hair. So today I'm going to cut my hair and show you. I'm not a stylist or anything. I just do a straight cut, no lining or anything like that. But I do that because it saves me, my hair grow fast. So at least once a month. So it saves me $30 a month, $180 every 6 months, $360 a year. And that might not seem like a lot, but $360, and that's just with one haircut. Usually you need 2 haircuts a month. So that $360 is really $720 for most people. But for me, I push it for one cut. So I save $700 or so, $360. And if it's 2 cuts that particular month, like I'm way overdue, as you can see. But join me as I cut this afro down. Okay, so we're gonna get this cut started. That is the fan in the bathroom, and it's really nothing you could do about it every time you turn on the light. Everything you need is, I have my clippers, and I put a guard on them. As you can see, this guard is a number 1, and I either use a 1 or a 2. And the 1 will get it down pretty low, but I'm only going to do that because I haven't been feeling well, and I don't want to take the chance that I won't be able to cut it twice. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then I always get a towel and put over the sink because that hair gets everywhere. It's pretty gross. And you just put this here and it catches the hair on the sink. Okay, so I'm gonna take off my glasses. Hair gets everywhere. And here we go. It's real simple. Anybody can do this. I was a little nervous at first, but you should. Yeah. As you can see, you ready? It's real simple. See that? This is a number 1. I'm cutting it down low because it's easier to maintain when it's low. When it starts to grow, the oil and stuff that I put in, you know, the hair is going everywhere except on this towel on the sink. It's all over the floor. It's all over the floor. But we do whatever we got to do to save money. And at first I had a problem doing this, but I don't anymore. If it's a month like this, I'll go to a 1 because it's easier to condition my scalp and start over again. My hair, as you can see, it's really soft and everything. You know, I take really good care. I use shea oil and coconut oil in my hair, and that's it. And so it would have been fine, but it's so much easier if I just go ahead and cut it off and condition my scalp and start over for the next month to come. I have a really busy month, and it's easier. I have to get up and I have to get out the shower, then I have to condition my hair and all of that. And this is so much easier and so much cheaper than going to the barber shop because, well, not the barber shop, but to a hair cuttery. I have no idea what the barber would charge. I'm sure it would be something ridiculous, but you know, some people will be ashamed of this. I'm not, because I have to live I have to survive. I have to eat. Hair is everywhere. It's everywhere except on the, that is so funny. It's everywhere except on the towel that I have on the sink. Back to what I was saying. Some people are embarrassed when they don't have money to do things, and when I say that I'm frugal and I save money, I do. And I just cut out all the extra stuff. And I just don't. And one of the things that I do to save money is I cut my own hair. Now, I could have did the number 2 guard on here, and it would have been half of what this is. But again, like I said, it's easier for me to just go ahead and put it on one for this month, because I have a lot of stuff I gotta do. And I have some areas where, as you can see, I was losing my hair. And this is no big deal to me. See? Really soft. It lets me know that I've been conditioning my hair good. So that's a good thing. That is really a good thing. But it's time for us to cut it and start over. And that's exactly what I'm doing. And you just make sure you get the edges around your ears really good. And I get all the long hair first, and then I go back. Again, don't be ashamed of whatever you gotta do to make it. I do whatever I gotta do legally to make it each month. And my thing is, I really don't care what people think. I don't wear my hair for a person. I don't wear makeup for a person. If I was to wear makeup, it'd be because I wanted to. I just don't. I like to have my hair natural, like it is now, in this form. And I like it to grow no longer than 3 inches. And that's where it was now before I cut it. Look at that little piece of hair don't want to go up. You see it? There's always one patch of hair that don't want to go. No, don't take me away. No, no. I've seen beautiful women all over the world. From hair, beautiful wavy locks, braids, permed hair, natural hair, beautiful gray hair. I've seen it all. And I've learned that you all are beautiful. Everybody is beautiful just the way you are. And you should do whatever you want to do with your hair, your makeup, your hair, your body, that makes you comfortable. And with my hair low, I feel free. But I really enjoy it when it's it just like crazy when it's starting to grow back. But you know what? The wave pattern never goes away. I can still see the wave pattern. I do this. I condition my hair. Even with the hair gone, I'm still going to condition it. I'm still going to take care of it. It's just easier. Make sure you get around your ears really good. That's usually where it's hard to get, these areas right here. I can't hear it anymore, so that means I've got most of it. And again, you just go back again and make sure you get, I don't use a mirror or anything. I've done this so many times that I pretty much I think we're just about finished. All right, and that's a wrap, B. It's the finished product in the light, as you can see. Look at there, see? The natural wave pattern stays. That's it. There we go, and we just saved 30 bucks, people. I hope this helped. Every bit of money you can save helps, okay? So thanks for joining me here. Have a great day, okay? Smooth. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.